How to turn on stolen device protection. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to turn on stolen device protection. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your iPhone, and after that just simply open your settings, and once you have opened your settings just simply scroll down and click on Face ID and passcode, and just enter your existing passcode in order to unlock your iPhone. And once this is done, when you will scroll down, you will be able to see the option called stolen device protection, which is currently off. So in order to turn it on, just simply tap on it. And over here, it says that stolen device protection is only available when your passcode is turned on and your Face ID is set up. So just simply come back and click on Face ID setup. Now you have to simply set up your Face ID over here. Click on Get Started, and now just simply place your face over here and just make sure that you set up your Face ID. And once your Face ID is set up and your passcode is turned on, just simply click on Stolen Device Protection again. And now you have the option to toggle the bar and turn your Stolen Device Protection on. So this is basically how you will be able to turn on stolen device protection in your iPhone. I hope you find this video to be helpful.